had similar setup. So I think regarding IPL, all things have been done because this association has been doing for such a long years. So I don't think so we'll face any problem because since opening ceremony is also in Chennai this time. So BCCI is taking care of that. We have few shows here just before 25 minutes we have a show. Then in between the match also there's 15-minute show. Like A.R. Rahman, Akshay Kumar and all those people are coming. And because regarding the tickets and everything, CSK, I think franchisee is the sole responsible for everything. So association has nothing to do with that. Ashman, yeah, I think this is one of the best emotional thing where all the Tamilians should be very, very much proud of. I don't think so. In near future, you can see any cricketer playing 100 Test apart from Ashman. I congratulate him on this very huge success. I hope he continues, plays more than 200 Tests and create record, beating Muralidharan also in wickets also. See, in the pipeline, definitely we want all cricketers to get the infrastructures and to use it because we have started so many academies, as you said, because previously it was only in Theni and now we have opened in Trichy, in all the Tripur there's another academy and a few more academies has to come in Madurai. And we have been having a talent scout also, like for the fast bowlers, spinners and everything. So as an association, we are trying a lot to find new talents also, and the TNPL is also being a huge success so that the people can represent an IPL. So I think it's up to the players and the boys and the girls to take this opportunity and reach their heights. Thank you.